Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I'm really happy to share with you my profession. Let me start by saying something about myself. My name is Dilson Montoya. I'm 10 years old. I am from Medellin. I am currently learning English with the teacher John here in Puerto del Rio. I am in level 8 I'm happy to show you with my favorite profession today. But what are we waiting to start? Let's start now. My profession is soccer player. As a soccer player, my work starts at 6 p.m. starts in the night. My tasks are usually score goals, don't allow the position team, score goals, change my position game with equal cards. Let me show you where I play. This is the place where I play. This is the place. It's amazing and comfortable. My profession is important because I entertain myself. Okay, this is me. I'm really proud to be a soccer player. Well, my friends, now it's time to go. That is for today. I hope you liked this video as much as you could. See you in another video to learn English. Don't forget to practice English at home. I wish you all an awesome day and take care. Bye.